All right, guys, we're here at Bearton Outfitters. This is our pond, and we didn't have time to go to the river today, and me and Travis are a little competitive with each other every now and again. So what we're going to do is we're going to have 10 minutes of each of us fishing with the GoPro, and we're just going to see who can catch the most fish until both timers go off. So you up for it? Yeah. All right, here we go. I don't know what you're doing. I'm fishing. It's probably gonna be kind of hard because we put minnows in the pond the other day, and I fed them like food. So we'll see what happens. What are you doing?
It broke.
It broke?
Yeah, the knot came out.
You had a fish on? Oh. Yeah, he's gonna lose now. This is like that fishing show where they, I forget what it's called. It's like WWF fishing or whatever they do. Oh, I got one. I got it on video. Oh, no! No, we can't do that. No, we gotta catch fish. Dude, I gotta get him while he's down. This could be my chance. I can make this happen. I'm fishing with a little bitty Bobby Garland 4-pound test on a dollar spin cast setup. Dude. Oh man, one just swapped at it and he didn't want it. Come on now. I gotta do something good while he's out. Oh man, he messed my jig up. That's part of the issue. Alright, so here we go. You know, you would think me being a dad, I'd be like, hey, I'll help you, son. But no, I want to beat him today. I want to beat him. If he cries on his pillow tonight, I'm okay with it. I want to catch fish because we haven't went like real fishing in a couple weeks. Yeah, I hate it for you, bud. Well, all these fish are full because we just fed them a ton of minnows yesterday, and I fed them fish food and mealworms this morning. So, you know, we're going to have to really find an optimistic fish or opportunist fish to make this happen. I'm gonna start working this thing almost like a worm. Work it really slow because they're super lethargic because it's like 100 degrees here right now. Did you get my message the other day about the new Spanish word I learned?
Yeah.
Castrate. If you could castrate, you might catch more fish. All right, we're gonna change out our lure. I don't like the one I'm using. So we're gonna swap over. We're gonna use old pink and chartreuse with a little sparkle in it. Little Mr. Crappie by Strike King. See if that attracts some attention. I'm using a 1/16 ounce jig head. I don't think it's gonna make any difference, but we're gonna try it because, like I said, all these fish are full. But you might get one little gluttonous dude out there. Oh, I got, ah! No! That's two that's gotten off. And my alarm's going off.
Got it. That's right. That's right. Oh, no, no, no. No, no, no. Count. Got it. Oh, got it.
All right, I'll give it to you. Is that a crappie?
That's crappie.
Oh! You're just swimming with it too.
There you go.
Dad has found the hole. Dad has found the crappie hole. Guys, they found a secret weapon. I'm about to give up on the crawl and revert to something else. But Dad can't know about it till he watches the video. He's already up 3-0, so still don't think I can come back, but I'm gonna try anyways. Well, there goes that plan. Now I have to go retrieve my hook, unfortunately. We're gonna see if we can't cheat a little bit. There's a frog. I caught 2. To halfway of where you're at. Two fits. Well, that's tough, but when your rooster tail breaks on your second cast off of a piece of grass, you know it's not going to be a good time for you. So had to do with what I had. What I had wasn't very good, so your victor.
Winner!